Welcome back to another episode of Vacu-Man, your trusted experts in furnace and duct cleaning for over 40 years. Today we got a story that's, well, it's nuts. What you're seeing here is not a scene from a squirrel's dream. It's an actual furnace we were called to clean. Oh man, I'm good, that actually rhymes. Anyways, the homeowner had been hearing scratching sounds, and upon opening it, we discovered a stash of walnuts and acorns. Now you might be wondering, why the furnace? Well, it turns out many squirrels have a penchant for wiring, but in this case our squirrel friend bypassed the wiring buffet and went straight for the main course, a big pile of acorns stored right inside the furnace. At Vacu-Man, we've seen it all, from pickle ornaments to treasure chests. We've cleaned furnaces housing the most unexpected items. Rest assured, we got to work, and we made sure this furnace was clean, efficient, and squirrel-free for the winter season. For all your furnace and duct cleaning needs, call Vacu-Man. Thanks for joining us on this nutty adventure. If you're in Burlington, Hamilton, or Oakville and need your furnace cleaned, whether it's a squirrel or not, you know who to call.